everyone, my name is Bailey and I'm here to show you all how to create your very own design on your mask. So you should have a mask and some colors of bingo blotters. So go ahead and grab those and let's get started. So we have our mask and our bingo blotters all ready to go. I went ahead and put down some paper towels because these bingo blotters do tend to bleed through the mask. So just to keep your workspace clean, but go ahead and flatten it out as best as you can. And then simply just start coloring away. You can do different things. You can use the bingo blotters as they are and just do some dots like that, or you can actually draw with them. So it's just a lot of fun, and I'm gonna have some fun with it, and then I'll show you all the next step. Alright, so here is the mask design that I came up with. I didn't really have a plan for it. I was just kind of going for an abstract feel and kind of like a tie-dye vibe. These colors really blend well together on the mask, which I like a lot. It kind of gives a watercolor effect. And that's something to keep in mind, that this dot was a really small dot, but it bled a lot. So they will do that, just keep that in mind. But again, as always, have fun with it. And then also, like I said earlier, it definitely bleeds through the mask, like I said. So please be sure to put down something on your table or your workspace so that you don't stain it at all. No one wants that. So the next step for us is to simply wait for it to dry. So now my mask is dry, and once your mask is dry, you are ready to put it on. And so once you have your mask on, maybe, ta-da! You can check out all the cool designs that you made and really enjoy it, because whenever you go to wash these masks, it actually erases everything that you did, which is kind of cool because then you can redraw and redoodle all the time and have a different mask every day. So yeah, that is our fun mask project, and I really hope y'all liked it.